When we have no relationship with the Holy Spirit or communication, we are orphans. And so many Christians have the orphan mentality, and they see the church as an orphanage. And this is because they have no relationship with the Holy Spirit or no communication. The church becomes an orphanage for them, and they behave like orphans. If you go to the orphanage, you see those orphans. What are they expecting from you when you go? What do orphans expect from you when you go? Gifts. And after gifts, what happens? You drop it and you do what? And you go. They don't see you anymore. They will not even think of you. Until maybe if hunger catches them, they will remember there is one auntie that brings us gifts. Oh, when is she going to bring the next one? When they see you, what excites them? Is it the height of your, is it your height? Is it the color of your face? No. What excites them is what you are bringing. Because they are in the orphanage for the sole purpose of survival. They have no family. That even between them and your kids. What you are bringing to them there, you are probably giving your kids more, or if you are that generous, is the same thing. But they cannot feel like your children because they don't have a relationship with you that your children have. And that's why there is a campaign for childless couples to adopt and give some children that sense of what? Of belonging. So without the Holy Spirit, the church becomes an orphanage and Christians are orphans. Unfortunately, with the Holy Spirit, some Christians are still living like orphans, thinking like orphans, behaving like orphans. And they see the church as orphanage. That is why many Christians, once the church closes or outside the church, they feel the absence of God. They cannot connect with God outside the walls. So when this COVID-19 started and they said there is no church, you saw that many Christians some were jittery. Some were even so afraid that, hey, especially those who believe that demons are positioned in every street. Phase 2 demons are in every street. They believe that if they don't come to church or fellowship, the demon is going to catch them and kill them. So outside church, they feel the absence of God. That was what the apostles were beginning to feel. And then Jesus promised them the Holy Spirit. Outside church, they don't feel God. They don't feel God. They feel that God is absent, that God is far. So the only time they have this fullness of God's presence is in the church. So take church away from them, they become like God does no longer exist. It can happen to us. It can happen to us. But meanwhile, that shouldn't be the case. Jesus said the Spirit is with you and he will be in you. In you. 1 John 4:4, he who is in you is what? Is greater than he that is in the world. So don't look like an orphan. Don't think like an orphan. Number one is to think that God is absent. So you are, every time such Christians, because they think of the church as an orphanage. An orphanage is a place where you go, you get handouts. Okay, they are looking for God for existential reasons, not eternal reasons. What we can get now. That's why many churches have become like solution center. There is everything wrong when you think of the church as a solution center. There is everything wrong with it. The church is where you come to get blessings so that this and that and all of that. Orphanage. Just think about the orphanage. You have no relationship with God. You don't want to build it. All you want is where problems will be solved for you. And unfortunately, it is not happening that way. So if anytime you feel the absence of God, you feel like God is not present, then it means that there is a problem with you and the Holy Spirit, and you better start thinking about how to repair it. It's either you are losing consciousness of his presence, or you are not communicating with him as much as you should. David said, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, no evil will I. Why? Because you are there. David felt the presence of God always. And that was the only thing David was afraid of losing when he sinned in Psalm 51. Remember, he was a king. Remember that he saw God take away the kingdom or the kingship from Saul. Yet David was not scared of losing the kingship. What did he ask God for? I think two things. Cast me not away from your presence, and take not your Holy Spirit from me. As far as David was concerned, those were the two most important things. Not kingship, There was a time I wasn't king, but there was never a time I wasn't within your presence. So if you feel absent, and Christians who feel the absence of God, they are Christians who are running up and down, jumping from places to places. Because the church is an orphanage for them. So if St. John Mary Vianney Catholic orphanage is not bringing the solutions they want now, they will try Archangel Raphael Police Orphanage. If that one is no longer working, they may try St. Martin's Catholic Orphanage. If that one is not working, they may try St. Augustine Catholic Orphanage. If the Catholic orphanages are not working, what will happen? Dunamis Orphanage is there now. If Dunamis Orphanage, they get tired of Dunamis Orphanage, there are many other ones. Christ Embassy Orphanage is there, or Royal Champions Assembly, or Mountain of Fire and Miracle Orphanage. Church for them is nothing but orphanage. And that shouldn't be. Because outside all of those electrifying gatherings, they cannot feel the presence of God. If you are constantly feeling God's absence in your life, even in the most difficult of time, just think about this. It is the problem of your relationship with the Holy Spirit, and all you need to do is to reactivate. And if you feel incapable of communicating with God, that's also a problem with the Holy Spirit, because the Spirit is your helper. To watch full videos and get notifications for new ones, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.
Sign up with the largest community of Catholics online. Meet new friends, chat, post pictures and videos, make and receive audios and video calls, interact with lots of priests and religions. Download the app from Google Play Store.